Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install DBeaver latest version, that is 26 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. But the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Then we will connect both MySQL and PostgreSQL server. So first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu operating systems, that is Firefox. Then go to DBeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. See here we have the two versions, community and pro. Pro is the commercial version, community is the open source version. In this video I am going to download and install community version. So click on download. Then see here we have to download Debian package for the Ubuntu type operating systems. Okay. Click on this download tab. See, download started and its size is about 119 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Then go to download, cd downloads ls. Now we have to install this package. Sudo dpkg-i, then db, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter, then provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user or root account. Hit enter. See, we are installing DBeaver version number 26.0.3. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. See here we have the DBeaver. Here CE means community edition. Click on it to open. Close this one. I don't want sample databases. Now we will connect both MySQL and PostgreSQL. Click on database and select new database connection, or just click on this plugin button. Now we are going to connect first MySQL. Select MySQL, then click on next. If you have installed MySQL or PostgreSQL server on Ubuntu 26.04, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both. Okay, select, then click on next. Host name is localhost. Localhost is fine because MySQL is installed on this one. If it is installed on some other host, then provide that host name here. Database, I have that database bank. Username root, then provide the password of this root account which is there in this host. Then click on test connection. You are about to download files for the driver for MySQL 8 and later. So click on download. Successfully connected to MySQL server 8.0.46. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand connection. Expand databases. See here we have the databases. Go to users. See here we have these users. Okay, on this host. Want to run queries against this database. Right click. Then SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. Okay. Select star. I have the table customer in this database. Select the query and click on execute. See you got the output. Okay. In the same way, if you want to connect PostgreSQL or any other database, again go to new database connection. Then select the database. Then click on next. Then provide all these connection information. Then click on test connection. Again download for driver files. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 1800. Click on finish. See, we have the connection. Expand connection, expand databases. Same way, if you want to run queries, right click, SQL editor, then open SQL console. You can run the queries here. Okay. So we have successfully installed DBeaver latest version 26 on Ubuntu operating systems. Then we have connected both MySQL and PostgreSQL server from DBeaver. Okay. So this file is not recorded anymore unless I'm deleting them to clear. I'm deleting it to clear the space. Unless we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install, and configure DBeaver latest version 26 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.